Okay, so what we do is just spray this brake fluid cleaner, or brake cleaner, because it's apparently full of grease. And there's no grease in there. And this is the part I don't really get. I couldn't really figure this out too much when I was doing it. Slide this on, and it's too loose right now. Jump all over the place. So you want to be able to move this thing, but you want the brakes to touch it. So to me, this is much too loose. So that means you want to turn that little screw down there, that little ratchety thing, a few clicks. I guess to me, you want to turn it. I have no idea how far you want to turn it, but you got to keep turning it until you think it's going on nice. To me, it's still way too wobbly. Okay, well, I think I've got it where I want it. I'm going to bank on the fact that it will self-adjust. So now, it's just a matter of putting the tire back on. Which should be super easy. Just going to line up. Like so. Look at that. And then before you leave, put your lug nuts on, finger tight, and then tighten them with a ratchet. Moron that I am, I forgot. Now that it's down on the ground, of course, I want to torque it. So I got my torque wrench. I'm going to adjust it by unscrewing the bottom end and then twisting this until this little 0 lines up with 100. And there's 100 foot-pounds. So you can't see it likely, but the little 0 there is lining up with the etched 100 here, and this is foot-pounds. And so tighten this little guy, and then we'll torque these puppies down. And this will click when it reaches the 100 foot-pounds. Like that. Yeah, like that. Now it's ready to put this lavish hubcap on, which usually takes me about a half hour. Dang, turned everything on great. So now it's time to bleed the brakes.